Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today I'm giving you a very quick overview of something that we have done for a big T6, but I wanted to do its own specific little video. So we do get from time to time T6, T5 transporters that they want to have some extra interior ambient lighting for either work purposes or for racking and for day vans and night and camper vans and all this sort of stuff. So I just wanted to very quickly show you what we've done to this works vehicle. The customer specifically wanted strip lighting, so we've installed 3 strip lights. So we've got the one firstly over the sliding door. We've got another one which is a slightly longer one which broadcasts light down this whole one side, and then we've also got one up here. Hopefully the camera can pick up on it. So yeah, really great, really impressive bit of lighting, low LED consumption, but the lighting when it's at night and when the van doors are shut and all locked up and unlocked is really quite impressive. So what we've done is we have wired it in such a way so that it will, as soon as one of the doors opens, it will be on, and also when the vehicle is unlocked they'll come on as well. So what I'll do is I'll move the position of the camera a couple of times so you can see what it's like going from night, in essence night with the door shut because it would be pitch black, and then with them turning on so you can see and get an overall view of what this lighting is going to be like. So what we'll do is we'll drop the camera inside, I'll put it in the middle and turn the lighting off and then unlock, and away we go. We'll see what it's like. Right, so we're now in the dark in the back of this T6, and I'm going to unlock the vehicle and the lighting will come on. So there we go. I am just going to very quickly open the lock at the back so that the locking doesn't come in and then we have no lighting. So we are in a pitch black T6 in the back of it, and all that is lighting this area is now these 3 LED light strips. So as you can see, as I move the camera around, it's such a really nice ambient lighting. So here's the main big one that we fitted across the whole way there. We then fitted one up here above the barn doors, so when you're working at night or you've got your racking and you just want to throw stuff in the back, you've got all that lighting. And I'll spin it around some more. Sorry. And then back to this one originally that we've got going on there. So as you can see, it's really good quality lighting that we fitted. It's made by a company called Labcraft, and we're going to start doing a lot more for this for the trade vehicles and also private customers who want lighting like this. We can either do strip or we can do downlights, the touch sensitive ones or the ones that just come on when you lock, unlock, that sort of thing. So if this is something that you want to do yourself, we can supply you all the equipment and the wiring and the know-how on how to do it, or you can get us to do that as well. So if you need any more information, the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.